Welcome to Legacy IAS Academy. Today I am going to discuss CSAT paper of 2021. Okay, here you can see the first questions. I will suggest first of all you can pause the video and then you have to solve yourself and then you can see the solution. In this particular questions, this question I can say that very easy. Why it is very easy? Because only thing you have to know the concept. If you know the concept, okay, which concept is applicable to solve these questions, then it is not much difficult. Okay, this question is based on LCM. If you know the basics of the LCM, how you have to get the LCM, then this question is very easy. Here, like consider Joseph visit the club every 5th day. Hers visit the club every 24th day. Sumit visit the club every 9th day. Okay, they met first on Sunday. Then again, in which day they are going to meet. So in this particular question, first of all, we have to get LCM. LCM of 5, 24 and 9. So LCM will be 360. You can get LCM like that. 5, 24, 9. So 3, 5, 8, 3 and 5, 3 into 5 into 8 into 3, it will be 360. After 360 days, again all of them will meet together. So they met first on Sunday. After Sunday, they are going to meet again after 360 days. So how to solve it? In the calendar questions I explained, whenever they met on Sunday, after 360 days they are going to meet again. So it simple means that we have to divide 360 by 7 and we have to get remainder. Remainder will be 3. So here again you have to add Sunday plus 3. So it simple means that Wednesday. So they are going to meet again on Wednesday. As I told, this question is not at all difficult. This is very easy questions. Only thing is you have to know the basics about the mathematics. In the basics about the mathematics, you have to know the basics about LCM and you also know basics about calendar. If you know LCM and how to solve questions based on calendar, you are going to solve these questions very easily. Let's see one more question. Here again, let's see one more question. Here, a pie diagram shows the percentage distribution of protein, water and other dry element. Again, I can say that like first question we have solved, that is very easy. This questions again is very easy questions. Only thing is you have to know, this is the pie chart. This is the pie chart or pie diagram. Here, this pie diagram shows about, like consider water. It shows about protein and dry element. And this pie diagram is represented in percentage. Percentage, we know that whenever we are representing anything in percentage, we are representing is 100. Okay. When we are representing is anything in degree, we can say that we are representing in 360. So we know that 100% is equal to 360 degree. That things only you have to know to solve these particular questions. So here again they have mentioned giving that protein correspondent to 16%, water correspondence to 70%. If both protein and dry food element correspondence to P%, then what is the central angle of sector representing P? So water is 70, total 100%, water is 70%, then protein plus dry fruit, protein plus dry element will be 100 minus 70, that will be 30%. So we know that protein and dry fruit represent 30%. Okay, here we know that 100% is equal to 360, 1% 360 upon 100 and 30% 360 upon 100 into 30. If you solve it like 360 upon 100 into 30, you will get answer 108. So hope you are able to understand this particular questions. This questions is not at all difficult. Only thing you have to know basics about the percentage. You have to know basics about the pie chart, and you should know that okay, 100% is equal to 360 degree. If you know these basics thing, then this question become very easy. Let's see one more questions. This question is based on the concept of syllogism. In syllogism video, I talked about 4 statements. To solve the questions over the syllogism, you have to know the basics about 4 statements only, like all A are B, some A are B, no A are B, and some A are not B. You should know these 4 statements and how or what type of conclusion can be drawn from these 4 statements. If you know these basics thing, then this question become very easy. Here again, like some radio are mobile, some radio are mobile, all mobiles are computer, all mobiles are computer, and some computers are watches. Okay, after drawing this particular diagram, certainly some radios or are watches? No, radios is this side and watches is this side. First conclusion cannot be drawn. Certainly some mobiles are watches, some mobiles are watches. Okay, mobiles are this side, watches are this side. It may or may not possible. How I am telling these things? Because I know the outcome of these 4 statements. So I will suggest you have to know the outcome of these 4 statements. Once you know the outcome of these 4 statements, then easily you can eliminate. By looking the question, while drawing this simple diagram, you are going to get answers, and then answers will be D. So hope you are able to understand this particular question. I will say again, like first question was easy, second is easy. This is also very easy questions. Here one more question. This I will say again very easy questions. You have to know basics about the percentage. In percentage also the question is very easy. Consider total student are 100. Out of 100, 60 came from India. Okay, then definitely 40 are foreigners. Among 100 students, 50 are girls, then definitely 50 will be boys. This is the information they have given. Second thing is 30% of Indian students are girls. 30% of 60 will be 18. So 18 girls are Indian. Then we can say that okay, 60 minus 18, it becomes 42. 42 Indians are boys. Total boys are 50. Out of total boys, 42 boys are Indian, then definitely 8 boys are foreigners. Okay, total boys 40. Out of 40, 8 boys are foreigners. In percentage, 8 upon 40 into 100, it will be 20%. So hope you are able to understand. Again, I can say that this is not at all difficult questions. Only you have to know basics of the percentage. If you have decent practice over the percentage, then easily you can solve this particular questions also. This is the questions. I can say that it is a moderate questions. Okay, it is a moderate questions, and you have to know how this question can be solved. A biology class at high school predicted that a local population of animal will double every 12 years. The population at beginning of the year was 50 animals. P represent the population after n year. Then which one of the following equations represent the model of the class population? These questions anyway we can solve through, I can say that like compound interest. Through compound interest we can solve it. That is not, we should not apply it. Again, second thing is, if you know how to solve such type of question, then only you have to attempt it. In the real exam, whenever you find such different type of questions you never solved, then you should not try it also. Okay, second thing is, we know that like population 50, after 12 year it become 100, after again 12 year it become 200, like this it is increasing. Okay, so here we know that this is the value of n. Okay, again this is the value of n after 24 years. So after, if I am putting n value 12, then p value has to be 100. Hope you are able to understand. My point here is, when n value is 12, then p value is 100. When n value is 24, then p value is 200. Okay, we can just put n value here and try to test. Okay, put n value 12 here, then it is not 100. Put n value again 12 here, it is again not 100. Then put n value 50. This is like that. This is not, I can see that this is 50 into 2 to the power 12n. If you put here also, you are not going to get an answer. This is again 50 into 2 n upon 12. So if you put here 50 into 2, 12 upon 12, it become 150 into 2 is equal to 100. So hope you are able to understand this particular question. Here we are getting p equal to 100. So here again I can say that now you know how to attempt such type of questions. When such type of questions again come in the real exam with modifications of the values, you just apply this concept. Concept is very simple. I am considering after 50 year, like population is 50, after 12 year it will be 100, again after 12 year it will be 200. So I know that if n value is 12, p value is 100. If n value is 24, and then p value is 200. I just put n value into the options, and then I am going to get answers like p equal to 50 to the power n upon 12. I have put it here n value, so p into 2. So here n value is, I can say 12 upon 12, it become 50 into 2, it become 100. If I am putting n value 24, so 50 into 2, 24 upon 12, 50 into 4, 200. So hope you are able to understand this particular question also. So here I can see that now you know how to approach this particular question, then you can solve it. Again I can say that questions are not very difficult. Questions require basic understanding of the topic. If you have basic understanding of the topic, you can easily solve the questions. Again, thank you for watching this video.